Hello and welcome to this overview video of the LifeSaver Jerrycan. The LifeSaver Jerrycan is an 18.5 litre container that stores dirty water and purifies it on demand. It works very simply, has a pump on the back end here. You pull the pump handle out like that and add pressure to the can. That pressurises the water inside. It goes through a filter and out the tap at the front here. Before first use, you need to prime your jerrycan to get the filter ready to use. Please follow our link to do this if you haven't already done so. Now I'll show you how to use the jerrycan. First, remove the pump and fill the tank with your supply of water. So if you're out in the field and you need to scoop water from a river or a lake, just be careful that you don't let the tap go under the dirty water. You don't want to cross-contaminate this, as this is obviously the point where the clean water dispense is from. So to use it is very simple. You just rotate the top of the pump and it pops up, and then you pump air into the tank and then turn the tap on. Now there's two ways you can use the tap. You can turn it and push it down and it locks in place, or you can just push it for an instant flow. When the jerrycan starts to get empty, it's worthwhile putting it on its side and using it in this orientation. That means that the filter is always submerged and you get the maximum flow rate. And as the flow rate starts to drop, just add more pressure with the pump. And that's it, as easy to use as that. Once you've started using your jerrycan, please make sure you always leave around 5 centimetres of water in the bottom, and that's just to stop the filter from drying out. Please see our other videos on the LifeSaver Jerrycan and our other products. Thank you.